Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by immediately controlling the environment. Choose a quiet room and close doors and windows to cut ambient noise. Next, connect a directional mic or quality headset and set the input gain low so loud sounds don't clip. Once done, disable notifications and enable Do Not Disturb on your device. Quit background apps that use the microphone. These steps reduce common noise sources and give you clean, raw audio to record from the very beginning. Now configure your recording chain for clarity. Pick a 44, 1K HZ or 48K HZ sample rate, and 16-bit or 24-bit depth for a good balance of quality and file size. Position the microphone 6 to 12 inches from your mouth, add a pop filter and shock mount to cut plosives and handling noise. In your screen recording app, enable a gentle noise gate and test levels with a quick 5 to 10-second recording. Adjust so peaks sit well below clipping. To finish, always record a short full-run sample and listen on closed-back headphones to catch echoes, hums, or interference before committing. Once satisfied, apply a light high-pass filter to remove low-frequency rumble and use gentle noise reduction. Avoid overprocessing, which creates artifacts. If you still hear persistent noise, systematically isolate sources. Mute devices, swap cables, try a different USB port, or test a separate microphone. This troubleshooting approach narrows the cause quickly and gets you back to a clean recording.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.